2020 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S convertible, priced at 87,990, 22,000 miles, great car, four-wheel drive, 450 brake horsepower, four-seater convertible. Specification, it's finished in jet black, it's got a beautiful Bordeaux interior. Classic wheels, so you get 20-inch on the front, 21-inch on the back. You've got the contrast of the Red Calipers. It's got the key things for me, which is sports exhaust and sports chrono. Full service history, 22,000 miles, just a great price point for me, £87,990. These cars get to a certain point and then they'll level off in value. So someone's going to buy this, you can use it, it's very usable with it having the four-wheel drive, you can use it all year round, but obviously it's a convertible as well. Condition of the wheels and everything are lovely, as you can see. I'm just going to show you inside. So you've got Bordeaux leather inside, which just breaks it up lovely. You've got upgrade BOSE sound system. You've got your sports exhaust. You've got reversing camera as well. You've got heated seats. And it is, yeah, it's a great car. Two little seats in the back. And then if we move round here, you can see 911 Carrera 4S. I'll just start it up because you need to listen to this car. With it having that sports exhaust, it sounds absolutely superb. There you go. So you've got that switchable sports exhaust with your sports chrono. I'll show you the car with the roof up as well. Black roof. It's got other things like Apple CarPlay, which is a nice feature to have. But it just sounds lovely. And then inside you can see, as I've mentioned, you've got your sports chrono on here, which puts your sports exhaust, and you've got your heated seats, you've got your navigation, your Bluetooth, all your other features, and I'll show you also, and you have reversing camera as well. So it's priced to sell £87,990. It's going live on all our platforms. If you need any more information, the number is on the screen. I can answer any of your questions. Thank you for watching.